Hey everyone, this is Nick with Gold Coast Flooring, and today I am doing a carpet cleaning in a one-bedroom condo in Sacramento, California. And you can see it's pretty trashed. I'd say it's maybe about 5 years, give or take. This is a polyester carpet. You can just tell immediately on the quality of the carpet that's in this place. And this carpet's probably around less than 70 cents a square foot, so maybe about $6 a yard. And so there's going to be some permanent damage, especially in the high traffic walkways. And I already explained that to the customer, that I'm here to clean the carpet but not restore it to something it can't be restored to. So the carpet's pre-sprayed. This is my setup when I'm cleaning condos, usually just as easy as I can get it. And that's pretty much it. This is all clean. You can still see that really dark kind of circle in the middle right there. That's probably where they had a couch, and that's where all the foot traffic was. This is a condo, they maybe had a smoking station there, smoke cigarettes, hookah, who knows. But you can see that disappear when you change the angle of light. So hopefully you caught that. Let me just rewind that real fast, because carpet cleaners get a lot of grief over polyester carpet when they're cleaning. We usually end up using more chemical, more time, and we still get the same results because we are dealing with garbage carpet that no matter what you hit it with, it doesn't clean up because it's damaged already. So hopefully that helps some people kind of get a look on polyester carpet down the road in a condo or rental unit. Thanks for watching.